Okay, we're going to go ahead and open up the eve mount heater so we can get to the ignition module in there. Unscrew these two screws. You got this one. And you lift up here. It's going to slide out of this area here. So just kind of pull it. Don't lift too high because it does get wedged in there. We're going to have the module housing itself. These are brackets that actually will loosen up and come off, so just be careful not to lose the screw when you're getting in there. Loosen them up. You don't have to take them all the way off, just loosen them. You can see how these are able to come off by just and we're going to lift up the plate and you'll be able to see the module right here. There's this bracket holds it in. You'll have to undo the screws right here. And we got the other side. A short screwdriver would be suggested for that, but I don't have one right now. Remove that. And then you got your module here. A lot of times it's just held in with that bracket, so you lift it up carefully and you'll have your small harness here. So when you replace this brain, you just pull this out. You can grab one side and just start lifting up on it. You can see where it starts to come out, and then you do the other side, you lift up on it. If you got a little screwdriver, would be the best thing, but it does come out. Okay, there we go. That's for that. I just want to show you how to pull that out. And then we have the harness right here. When you're trying to release that thing there, you just actually you push right here on that. You'll push and it lifts off the little lip right there. Push on that and make sure it's free, and then kind of just wiggle that out of there, and it separates that. And it goes back in. Make sure you go back in though, that you're not on the outside trying to get in and fighting it. It should just slip right back in. These are the connections here for your battery. Make sure you notice where the black and red go. And this is real important here. The orange wire always goes to the far side, and the white wire goes there. That's your igniter itself. It's gonna, and the sensor, it's on there. But all you have to do is unplug that harness there, this wire, pull those off, and that off, and you just reverse the process. So just what you would be doing is pull off one at a time and hook it to the module you have, so that way you don't mess up and forgetting what went where. You know, you can just do that separately.